apologies ahead of time because it is really windy today, but we are loading up to take the new wheels to Lord Jesus, to Discount Tire. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this started. So if there's excessive wind noise in the video, I do have a diffuser on the Rode mic, but if it gets really windy, my bad, because it's pretty windy. I don't know if you can tell. There's no leaves on the trees, but you can see this little bush right here. See how it's moving. Load it up, ready to go. Yeah. All right, for a little bit better look and a little drier, because it was sprinkling and wet when I picked it up at Discount Tire. But I also think that I don't know if the suspension height was set to a higher setting, but I think it looks a little bit lower now. I'm not 100% sure how this is picking up on camera. Hopefully the contrast is there and you can tell the difference and see the wheels, but it is overcast. So it's kind of shady right here, so hopefully y'all can pick this up. But I think they look really good. I mean, obviously they're aftermarket, but to me, they look pretty stock, sort of, as far as like a Porsche wheel design. So it's like it's enough that you know, hey, there's something different there, but it's not like enough to say, hey, that looks crazy, or it looks riced out, or anything silly like that. I think it still looks pretty on par for the car, for the crossover, for the SUV, whatever you want to call it. I think they match pretty well to the look and feel of a Macan GTS. But you let me know, comment and let me know what you think, and I will definitely put together another video when we have better weather and the car is clean, because I'm sure you can see how dirty it is. Tire wet slinging all over the side of this thing. But I will put a better video together showing it cleaned up, and also other modifications, because just looking at it, I can already say that I'm going to lower it for sure. Like, I put the wheels on and I was kind of questioning it. Like, I already knew what the ride height was with stock, because these are the same size wheels and tires diameter wise. But now that I see it, it's like, no, I think it really needs it. I actually like the stock Macan height, I do, but I think after having gone aftermarket wheels, I really need to lower it. And I've always done that. My last car, I had an S550 Mercedes, and I didn't get around to getting the lowering module before I actually sold the car and then sold the wheels. But it too was going to get lower. And I think whenever you do wheels, I think you have to adjust the suspension even just a little bit, just to get it a little bit lower than stock, just to get that right fitment, get it flush, and get it looking right. Besides that, I have to take it, and actually I never got the vinyl wrap finished on the door blade, so I need to get that done. And I think I'm gonna do a tune upgrade on it with an ECU flash, but I'm not really, cob access port, that's what it is. So those are the plans, but I'll be bringing future videos together to show you guys getting that done. The lowering will more than likely be done through a module. I know lowering links are available and options, but I think that for what I want, the module makes the most sense to get the height and the adjustability beyond just what OEM offers. So that's the plan. Let me know what you think. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one.